What happens in your body when you take turmeric? In this video, we're about to reveal the secrets that'll inspire you to make turmeric a daily ritual, a veritable miracle that can revitalize your life, no matter your age, even if you're 80 years old. The key? How you consume it, especially when combined with the magic of olive oil. Surprisingly, millions of people unknowingly make mistakes when incorporating turmeric into their diets, resulting in the loss of its incredible benefits. Therefore, it's essential to follow the guidelines we'll provide in this video. Before we dive in, if you've already experienced the benefits of turmeric and want to learn more, show your interest by hitting that like button. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Welcome back to Healthy Life Talk. Turmeric is an herbal plant known for its distinctive golden yellow color and belongs to the ginger family. What sets turmeric apart is its remarkable curcumin content, which offers numerous benefits for the body. Additionally, it contains proteins, sugars, resins, and volatile oils like atlantotermarone and zingiberine, some of which exhibit biological activity. In this video, we'll delve into the incredible benefits of turmeric that will inspire you to make it a daily part of your routine. We'll also discuss the best methods for consumption to ensure optimal absorption within the body, allowing you to maximize its benefits. The remarkable benefits of turmeric for your body are: first and foremost, turmeric is a potent anti-inflammatory agent. Scientific research has explicitly established its status as one of the most robust natural anti-inflammatories available. It finds applications in treating a range of internal infections, including liver, throat, tonsils, and pancreas inflammation, as well as external issues like dermatitis, vitiligo, and boils. Moreover, turmeric's effectiveness extends to being a powerful treatment option for individuals grappling with conditions such as irritable and ulcerative colitis, bowel problems, and Crohn's disease. Number 2. Supporting skin health and radiance. Turmeric contains compounds that can enhance your skin's natural glow and help alleviate skin conditions like acne and psoriasis. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties can contribute to a healthier and more radiant complexion. Number 3. Strengthening immunity and combating the effects of aging. We often come across individuals in their 60s, 70s, and even 80s who seem to defy the usual signs of aging, appearing youthful and maintaining good health. If you aspire to join their ranks, consider incorporating turmeric into your daily regimen. Turmeric is known for its ability to clear fatty deposits in the brain, enhance oxygen flow within this vital organ, and stave off the formation of facial wrinkles, thereby promoting increased vitality and a more youthful appearance. Number 4. Addressing and preventing cancer. Turmeric boasts a rich array of potent antioxidants, rendering it invaluable in cancer treatment and prevention. Its unique properties contribute to combating various forms of cancer, including leukemia, skin cancer, prostate cancer, breast cancer, and colon cancer. By activating and invigorating the body's cells, turmeric plays a crucial role in the battle against cancerous growths. Number 5. Promoting digestive health and reducing gastrointestinal discomfort. Turmeric has been recognized for its potential to alleviate digestive issues. It can soothe symptoms of indigestion, bloating, and discomfort by aiding in the regulation of gastric acid production and promoting smoother digestion. Number 6. Turmeric contributes to enhancing the cardiovascular system's functionality. This remarkable spice plays a pivotal role in reducing harmful cholesterol and triglyceride levels. Furthermore, it serves as a safeguard against the oxidation of detrimental cholesterol, a process linked to atherosclerosis. In essence, turmeric actively promotes the protection and well-being of the heart and blood vessels. Number 7. Aiding in fat burning and weight loss. Turmeric plays a crucial role in reducing cellular resistance to insulin, which is responsible for fat storage in the body, and it contributes to lowering blood sugar levels. Additionally, it stimulates the secretion of bile within the body, facilitating fat burning, improving digestion, and alleviating symptoms of bloating that can hinder the fat-burning process. Number 8. Enhancing memory and Alzheimer's disease prevention. Incorporating turmeric into your routine can be an effective strategy for enhancing memory and safeguarding against Alzheimer's disease. The plant compounds found in turmeric, including curcumin, resins, and volatile oils play a pivotal role in removing deposits that result from the accumulation of beta-amyloid protein between brain cells. This accumulation is a primary cause of Alzheimer's disease and memory impairment. There is nothing like turmeric. It boasts a wide array of benefits. It serves as a potent anti-inflammatory agent, promotes heart health, helps reduce blood pressure, alleviates joint inflammation, aids in the fight against bacteria and viruses, accelerates metabolism, and offers a multitude of wonders for your well-being. However, its most pivotal component is curcumin, a hydrophobic molecule, which means it doesn't readily dissolve in water. So, what's the optimal method for harnessing these numerous advantages? The most effective way to derive the benefits of turmeric is through proper consumption. While some may believe in simply mixing it with water and drinking it, this method unfortunately doesn't allow your body to fully harness its incredible advantages. Turmeric, you see, has a penchant for dissolving in fat rather than water. So, it's advisable to pair it with fats like olive oil or avocado, or incorporate it into meals containing fats, such as meat or eggs. Adding a touch of black pepper can further enhance its absorption. You can even create a nutritious dish by blending a spoonful of turmeric powder with an egg and a spoonful of olive oil, gently heating it at a low temperature. This approach promotes better absorption within the digestive system, ensuring you receive the full spectrum of its remarkable benefits. Choosing turmeric from reputable sources is highly recommended to ensure you are getting the pure, unadulterated type. Dear viewers, that wraps up our discussion for today. If you found this video informative, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up and sharing it with your friends. We value your opinions, so don't hesitate to leave your comments below. If you're new here, consider subscribing to our channel, and remember to activate the notification bell to stay updated with all our latest videos. Thank you for being part of the Healthy Lifetalk community. Until next time, take care and stay healthy. Goodbye.